Students, let us going for chapter number 2. That is question number 1 is discussing about the pharmaceutics. What is a prescription? What is a prescription? A required laboratory test, a written order from a doctor to a pharmacist for medication, a drug advertisement. Option number D, a pharmacist guideline for dispensing drugs. It is a written order from a doctor to pharmacist for medication. That is option number B. Let's go to question number 2. Which of the following is not a part of prescription? That is patient's name. Option number A, patient's name. Option number B, drug price. Option number C, superscription. Option number D, doctor's signature. That is option number B, drug price. Which of the not present not is a part of prescription? That is all of these are present in the prescription. Option number A, patient's names are present. Patient names is present, and superscription part is present, and doctor's signature is present. But in this case, the drug price is not present in the prescription. Let's go to question number 3. What is the significance of a prescription? Option number A, ensures legal dispensing of medicines. Option number B, helps in drug pricing. Option number C, promotes a brand of medicines. Option number D, prevents drug shortages. What is the significance of a prescription? Option number A, ensures legal dispensing of medicines. Ensures legal dispensing of medicines. What is the significance of prescription? Ensures legal dispensing of medicines. Let's go to question number 4. Which part of a prescription contains the instruction RS? Inscription, superscription, subscription, and option number D is signature. That is option number B, superscription. RX is for superscription instruction. That is, let's go to question number 5. The instruction given to the pharmacist about the form and quality of medication to dispense is called. The instruction given to the pharmacist about the form and quality of medication to dispense is called as option number C is subscription or superscription. Superscription is containing only RX. RX means, what is the meaning of RX? Is you take or take though these medicines. Question number 5. The right answer for the question number 5 is option number C, subscription. The instruction given to the pharmacist about the form and quantity of medication to dispense is called subscription. Let's go to question number 6. Handling of prescription includes ensuring the following except. Handling of prescriptions includes ensuring the following except. Question number 6. Handling of prescriptions include ensuring the following except is option number C, altering the prescription as needed. Altering the prescription as needed. Handling of prescription include ensuring the following except altering the prescription as needed and altering the prescription as needed. Let's go to question number 7. A common abbreviation for twice a drug, twice a day in a prescription is a common abbreviation for twice a day is prescription is known as BID. It stands for PID. The right answer of this question option is option number A. Let's go to question number 8. What is the purpose of prescriber's signature on a prescription? What is the purpose of prescriber's signature? To authorize the medication order, to indicate the cost of medication, to inform the pharmacist about the medicine, to authorize the medication order. That is the right answer of this question is option number A. What is posology? What is posology? To study of poison, study of drug effects, study of doses of drugs, studies of drug formulations, doses of drugs. The right answer for the question is option number C, the study of the doses of drugs. Let's go to question number 10. Which factor affects drug selection the most in elderly patients. Which factor affects drug selection the most in elder patients? That is option number C. Age-related decline in organ function. Age-related decline in organ function. Let's go to question number 11. What is Clark's formula used for? What is Clark's formula used for? That is option number C. Calculating dose based on weight. Calculating dose based on weight. Clark's formula only based on the calculating dose based on the weight, not age and height or body surface area. The only Clark's formula only used for calculating the dose based on weight. Let's go to question number 12. Which of the following formula is used to calculate pediatric doses based on age? That right answer for the question number is option number B. Young's rule. Which of the following formulas is used to calculate pediatric doses based on age? That is Young's rule for pediatric patient. Let's go to discuss question number 13. How is dose calculated using Young's rule? Dose is equal to age in year age plus 12 into adult dose. The right answer for the calculation for Young's rule is option number A. Let's go to question number 14. Fried's rule is applied to calculate doses of which age group? Fried rule is applied to calculate doses for which age group? The right answer for the 14 is infants. The Fried's rule applied to calculate doses for which age group? That is for infants only. Let's go to question number 15. What is the most common method of dose calculation based on body? What is the most common method of dose calculation based on body? 15 number, and the answer is waist nomogram. Which is the most common method of dose calculation based on body? Waist nomogram. Which of the most common method for dose calculation based on body? Waist nomogram. Let's go to question number 16. Which of the following factor affects the selection of drug dose? Which of the following factors affects the selection of drug dose? That is option number D. All of the above. Patient's age is compulsory, patient's weight is compulsory, and patient's disease condition is selection for drug dose. How to calculate? Is it is a infant patient or it is age between patient's age between 14 to 60? And the last, the question for the prescription or the dose of the drugs is above the patient age from 60 plus, and the patient's weight like it is a baby like 2 to 3 kg, and horse maybe it may be larger than 14 to 16 kg. Yeah, maybe it is 85 to 90 kg. Let's go to question number 17. Which method uses body weight to determine the dose for children? Which method used body weight to determine dose of children? Body weight, that is option number B. Clark's rule. Clark's rule. Let's go for question number 18. What is a pharmaceutical dosage form? What is a pharmaceutical dosage form? Question number 18 is option number C. A combination of drug and excipients that delivers the active ingredient. A combination of drug and excipients that delivers the active ingredient. What is a pharmaceutical dosage form? A combination of drug and excipients that delivers the active ingredients. Let's go to question number 19. Which of the following is an example of solid dosage form? That is the option number B, that is tablet. Which dosage form involves the administration of medication via the screen? That is option number A, transdermal patch. Let's go for question number 21. One of the following advantage of oral dosage form is rapid absorption into the bloodstream, age of administration, slow onset of action, high cost of production. That is option number B, age of administration. Let's go for question number 22. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of solid dosage forms? Which of the following is not a disadvantage of solid dosage forms? Option number 22 is option number D, age of storage and transport. Which of the following is not a disadvantage of solid dosage forms? Which of the following is not a disadvantage of solid dosage forms? That is age of storage and transport. Let's go for question number 23. Which of the following is an example of liquid dosage form? That is suspension. What is a key disadvantage of liquid dosage form? Disadvantages of liquid dosage form, that is option number D, both B and C. Risks of spillage and contamination, risks of spillage and contamination. Option number C, inconvenience in carrying. Let's go for question number 25. An advantage of capsule over tablets is over tablets is 25. Question number 25 is D, better test mixing. An advantage of capsules over tablets is better test masking. Let's go for question number 26. Which storage form requires refrigeration for storage? That is an advantage of capsule over tablet, that is better test masking. Which dosage form requires refrigeration for tablet? That is oral suspension. Which dosage form requires refrigeration for storage? Oral suspension. Quality control test for tablet includes hardness test, dissolution test, friability test. All of the above. The option is all of the above. Quality control test for liquids is option number B, pH determination. Quality control test for liquid is pH determination. Now let's go for question number 29. Which type of dosage form offers controlled release medication over a long period? Which type of dosage form offers controlled release of medication over a long period? 29. Option number B, extended release tablet. Which type of dosage form offers controlled release of medication over a long period? Extended release tablet. Which of the following is not a creation for the formulation of dosage form? Which of the following is not a criterion for the formulation of a dosage form? That is option number D, marketing cost. Which of the following is not a criterion for formulation of dosage form? That is marketing cost. Okay, thank you all of the students, and